absolutely beautiful. Yay, let's go and edit the video. It has been snowing non-stop since yesterday afternoon until now, still snowing down hard with wind howling at 60 miles per hour or 96 kilometers per hour. Pretty crazy. It will continue to snow for the rest of the day, which is the good news. The bad news is high wind will continue for the next few days. Y'all can see here that the school kids dominated the slope. It's not really their fault. It's the instructor that they're following. Anyway, in this snow report, y'all will see an accumulation of last week's skiing up to Sunday yesterday. And in order, I started with Arcalís. The snow at Arcalís is good, but too crowded with beginners and school kids, especially at the crossing to go down to the chairlift at the bottom. Who in the hell decided to extend the beginner area right in the middle of the highway is beyond me. It's dangerous for everyone, for skiers to cross and for the beginners to stand in lines in the smack middle of the crossing to get to the track lifts on the other side of the highway. Imagine when it's really busy, we would probably have to stop and walk through the crowded lines to get down to the chairlift to go back up. Unbelievable, right? Yep, here we are, standing right in the middle of the slope again. It's something that the management will have to sort out, as Arcalís is usually the place with the most snow, good snow to ski, when other places lack snow, as it's the coldest ski resort. Currently it's minus 11 degrees as I'm editing the video, when the rest of other ski resorts are at 0 to minus 4 or minus 5 degrees. Alrighty then, moving on to Arinsal. Good to excellent snow every time I skied there, from first thing in the morning to the time I call it quit, right around 1:30 or 2 p.m. Plus, it was practically empty compared to other ski resorts. So it was truly enjoyable and amazing skiing at Arinsal this past week, as usual and always. Rise and shine, sunny and hot, toasty. What is this doing right in the middle of the slope? Alright, let's go down to the chairlift. This is a beginner slope, so y'all be careful when y'all are here, especially when there's a lot of beginners, but not today. I'm gonna traverse over there to go down to the chairlift. See y'all later. The snow is amazing at every run. It's kind of hot, but it's not soupy. Corduroy all the way, and there's no snow turning or anything. The slopes are amazing, and I even skied down the Maradas. Overall, an excellent epic skiing day again in Arinsal. Yesterday at Arcalís, it was mayhem. Too many people, too many kids. Good morning, skiers. We are at the chairlift of Skiable in Pau, and it's snowing lightly, -2 degrees on Saturday, the Saturday before Christmas. Alright, we're gonna go up to the top, Skiable, ski down to La Botella and see what the snow condition is like. Alright, see you up the chairlift. Bye! I see the moon and the moon sees me. Alrighty then. -4 degrees, very cold. We are on the track lift going over to La Botella. So freaking cold. At least the sun is out.
Stopping there just because I was getting close to Emmanuel. But when I get stuck in the same side or the same position on the other side,
so good.
I'm screwed. I don't have the confidence to just start going down. I don't know, I get scared there.
Yeah.
And I get my skis all...
Well, that's what, because this is all made snow, so it's all that sort of slightly odd texture. There's nobody on it, which is good.
Alrighty then, we're just ski down this slope right here. This part right here is man-made, and then there's a part with a little bit of tiny chunky of ice. But the good part is no one is here, so well, there's a few coming down, but when I was coming down, no one was behind me, in front of me. Y'all can see that they're making snow right now because it's -4 degrees. It's freaking cold. The snow is alright. Not perfect, but skiable, enjoyable. Well, I particularly don't like this slope because of the angle, how it's slanted, but alright, you know, it is what it is. Bye for now. This chairlift ride from Casa de la Botella back to Pictacuville area is a long chairlift ride. So you might as well enjoy the beautiful view of the mountain range way over yonder and the slopes below. This is my friend. He started to ski last season as a beginner, but this season he's an intermediate, tackling red runs and even a black run in Arinsal. How's he doing, y'all? Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Look at the snow on the mountain top, been blown away by the high wind up there. Whew, what a view. Yes, we are at Arinsal this morning, Sunday morning. 2 more days and Christmas Eve is here, just around the corner. Alrighty then, it snowed yesterday while we were skiing uphill, so we have some fresh snow as y'all can see, but it's not that cold, but I'm not up the top yet. Okay, but high wind expecting, and snow forecast is for later on this evening, and also it will snow tomorrow according to the forecast. Alrighty then. Having breakfast. This is typical Spanish. They cook everything. He's cooking an egg? No way, Jose. Alrighty then. Right, we're gonna get up to the top of Arinsal and let's see what we find. Report back to you later. Bye for now. A little bit busy today, but still not as busy as Pal as yesterday. Bom dia. Bom dia. Right. Whoop. All right. What is the snow condition? What is the verdict? First run down. The snow is excellent. Comparing to yesterday, Jesus Christ. Yesterday was rocks, chunks of ice, but that was pale. But like I say, when in doubt, ski at Arinsal, the snow is amazing. And less people. What is the temperature? Is 2 degrees. Compared to yesterday, yesterday the highest temperature was -2. All right, let's go back up and ski again. Let's see if we could ski down to Maradas. Let's send down a guinea pig. All right, see y'all later. Very good. Oh my goodness. Woo! But the snow is good through and through, and each run is so fantastic today at Arinsal. No icy patches, no rocks sticking out. The snow is good on all runs, well, except that red run over there. But the black run, the off-piste, the red in the middle, and the off-piste gully, the blue run is good as well. So overall, everything is good except the Maradas. Maradas run is very icy, and we are not going down there again. So Maradas today is an off limit. Unless y'all like to ice skate down there, then you're welcome to go down there. Alrighty then, look at that wind over there, it's crazy. Alright, see you on the top or see you on the video. Alright, we're stuck in a gully. The wind blew the snow down to the gully.
It's a little chopped up.
I normally don't go that big end. It's always rocky. I come across here.
This is a blue run from the top of Arinsal all the way down to the bottom, or wherever you'll stop at. It's a little bit steeper for beginners to practice before tackling harder slopes. Y'all see how windy it was yesterday? Well, multiply that by maybe 100 today. Pretty crazy. Better be in bed nice and toasty. there you have it. I'm sure the snow conditions will totally be different from today on with the new snowfall and with the crazy wind. But y'all will have the full report once I got out there to check out the situation on the slopes. Now, I didn't venture out to Grandvalira as I'm not sure of the links between resorts, but I've been told by a few friends that the snow is alright as long as you don't venture far from where you started. That was what I heard without experiencing it for myself. Due to high wind, a lot of runs are shut today, especially the ones up high. Judging from what I could see in the videos that you are looking at right now, most of the baby runs are open as they are at lower ground. But the sun came out to play at last. Yay! After this video, I will finish the video covering the ski equipment rental rates, which I'm editing at this very moment parallel to this one. I hope to have it uploaded by the end of today. Fingers crossed. That's all for me, folks. As usual, I welcome all your comments and suggestions. Meanwhile, I wish y'all a very Merry Christmas and my best wishes for 2025. Stay positive, stay safe, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye for now.